Good afternoon, Divergence traders. It's Saturday today. It's around 2:30 in the afternoon. I just wanted to show you something that I was talking about the other day. If you watch my my video, my channel the other day, you would have heard what I'm going to talk to you about. So, first, this is XRP USD. And I was telling you the other day how years ago when Bitcoin really started to move up, it was rolling up and rolling back down. You know what I mean? And there was some heavy, how would you say, involvement from people or whatever, or traders or whatever, making it move like this. And I was telling you that, oh, I can't wait to see the day when I look at the price and I see it rolling up and rolling down and not actually stopping. Well, it stops every once in a while, but it's more so moving up and down, and it's not like, stopping and say, okay, I want to buy this at $18.03. Or no, 18. See, I'm already thinking it's at $18. XRP hit a high today or earlier this morning of $1.2640. Okay, do you see it right here? You see my mouse? You see the green here? That's where it went to. Now, what I was talking about is is how it rolls up and down. If you take a look right here, you should be able to see it. It's in my camera box. Take a look how it's constantly changing price. Okay? Usually it doesn't do that. Usually it just sits there like a fat frog on a dry rock on a hot sunny day. It doesn't do anything. But if you look and see, it just stopped there for a sec. Look, it's like $18.25, $18.30. See, it's always moving. Look at it, up and down, up and down. Yes. There's something, well, it's people, obviously. There's something making this roll up and down like this. And for it to gain what it gained since Friday supper time, okay, let's go to the 1 hour to take a look at that. So here's Friday night right here. It was sitting at 88.64 cents. It was at 88 cents. Never mind the 6.4. And from there it rallied up. And look, there's one of our lower close. Buy it, up it goes. Yeah, it does that in XRP and Bitcoin too. Yeah. And then it rallied up some more up here, and here's another one. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Okay? See, look, now it's at $1.20. Okay? Remember it was at $1.18, now it just rallied up to $1.20. It's constantly moving up and down, up and down. Somebody big somewhere is involved in this buying of of XRP. And anyway, I was when I was telling you about, I believe I was talking about Ethereum back in the day. I don't know, it was like 3 or 4 years ago, I think it was. It was basically at like $100. We could even go take a look at it. But yeah, it was at $100, and it rolled up to over 2,000. That's 2,000%. It rallied up. How often you see, you might see a I don't even know what to say. Like in futures markets, stock markets, they don't move like that. You can't get, you can get hundreds of percent profit, but thousands of percent profit, it doesn't come that easy, right? So anyway, we rallied up from just last night at supper time, 87 cents. We rallied up 39 cents. It rallied up. That's huge. It's a huge move. Look, and it's still rallying up now. See? Look here again. Take a look at the current price. Look at how it's forever changing, never settling on a price, hardly ever stopping more than 10 milliseconds, if that, maybe 5 milliseconds. See it moving up and down like a yo-yo? See, look, $1.20, $1.77. Yeah. There's some big players involved here right now for whatever reason. I don't know what, but it's on the move, man. It's on the move. So right now it's rallying up in pennies, right? But soon that will turn to dollars. Yeah, dollars. And then hundreds of dollars if it goes that far. All that I want is like $100. I'm good, right? Anyway, it's at $1.20 now. So the high was $1.2640 right here. Crazy. Let's take a look at Ethereum for a second. Let me show you if I can find it. Okay, last year, yeah, that's 23. Ethereum was at 1504, 15, I believe 1500. $1,500 down here just last year. Well, where was it when it was like $100? In 2001, it went to a low of $860, around there. But there was a time before that where it was insane. I'm pretty sure it was $100. Ah, look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay, this is 2018 right here, okay? It went up to a high of $1,400, somewhere up here. Well, if I just drop a line on it. Yeah, see, $1,396. And that was in 2018. Oh, I wish I would have bought some Ethereum then. Let me freaking tell you, but I didn't believe in any of these. You know, because there was so many what we called shit coins that were popping up out of everybody's ass. And they were full of shit. And you know why a lot of them were full of shit? Because they were all pump and dumps. This is why I never fucking bought any Ethereum or, and I didn't trust Bitcoin either because there was a lot of talk that it's just another shitcoin. And everybody that knew anything about, in the know, they knew that the best one was XRP, the safest one to buy and hold, right? And little did we know it was the one that, oh yeah, we bought it, yeah, and we held it, yeah, and it kept going down and down and down for fucking 6-7 years. And now it's maybe going back up. But anyway, let's just take a look over here. So this was in 2019. It was $99 for one Ethereum electric coin. $99. And there was a lot of people buying it because it just came from $1,400 to $100. Or no, $50. Look over here, $50. A little bit lower. So anyway, and then here is 2020. This was the pandemic. It went way down here. What did it go to? Yeah, see, it even went under $100. It was $84 right there. Right here on the low of the pandemic of 2020. And then, of course, it rallied up to $5,000. So if you bought just a couple of Ethereum, man, like say 10 of them, which cost you $1,000, and it went up to like $500, 10 times 5, that's like 50,000. You would have made $49,000. Okay? That's why there's so many people who got rich in the early 2000, and on and upward. But look at how much it dropped again right here, see? We went from 84 bucks over here to 5,000 basically, 4,900, and then we came right back down to $89 again in the year of 2022. It's just radical. And last year, yeah, it didn't do well. It's up at 2,000. So, but anyway, then there's this year where it rallied up from 2,250 right on up to 39, right up to 4,000. So anyway, if we take a look at this here, look, see, it's barely moving the price. See, it's moving a little bit, but not much. Just wanted to show you the history of Ethereum, and I wish I would have bought some of that too, but I fucking didn't. I bought some stupid other coins, other safe coins that got me nowhere. Well, no, Shiba Inu, I bought some, I don't know, I bought about fucking 100 million Shiba Inu or something, and it netted me a few thousand from that, but nothing like Ethereum, man, and Bitcoin. Holy shit. But anyway, if we go back to XRP, see, it's still rolling up and down, constantly changing. That means there's a lot of involvement right now. There's people buying and selling, buying and selling. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to buy anything. I'm not telling you to sell anything. And I'm not telling you to smoke anything or drink anything either. So I just wanted to show you how I've seen Ethereum and Bitcoin rolling up and down, just like right now XRP is doing. Never settling on a price, just constantly changing, up and down, up and down, up and down. See, it's 120, now it's 119. Yeah. I wonder, are we going to roll up into... Well, we're in the dollars now. We're at $1, $1.20 or whatever. Are we going to roll up into the hundreds? You know what I mean? I don't know. Or at least first roll up into the dollars even more. We're only come up $1.26. So we haven't really began to roll into the dollars, where it's right now it's rolling up, pennies, right? Or points of percentage of pennies. And are we going to start rolling up into like $5, $10, $20? We got to wait and see, ladies and gents. But anyway, I saw this now and I wanted to share it with you because I talked about it on my channel. I think it was just last week or the week before. It wasn't long ago. And I wanted to show you what I meant and what I was talking about, how the price would roll up and down, and see, just boom, popped up there. There's somebody big buying, man. There's somebody big players buying here. I guess maybe they feel they're gonna miss it if they don't get in. I don't fucking know. I'm pretty sure something depressed the price. So it's like you're sitting on the ground and someone put a 500-pound weight in your lap. You know what I mean? And held you down. That's the same thing they've been doing with XRP since 2017. They've been holding the price down. So it's starting to roll. Let's see how far it rolls up, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching and listening. If you like what you see, please hit the like button. And you have a wonderful you have a great Saturday with your family and friends, and we'll see you on Monday. Good luck and good trading.